We have a new book out, Navigating Emotional Realities, and it's for the workplace and for adults. One of the things that I've been fascinated with is how you get your emotional self. And one of the things we know is highly developed by the time you're 3, and it's developed before you have vocabulary. So you act on information you have, even though you don't know you have it. If you've ever done something and then you thought to yourself, oh no, that's my mother again, that's my father, well, that's what happened. And so it looks at how you get that emotional self and then how you negotiate your workplace with that. A lot of the books out there about the workplace are about how to deal with difficult people, etc., etc. But the issue is larger than that. It's how do you negotiate the multiple emotional realities that people live in, including your own. And so one of the things, the book just has a lot of kind of chronological information. This is how it happens. This is how your brain develops. This is what you do. And then it also has a section in there on how you then can better understand how you negotiate that reality.